Uninsured motorist coverage. What is it and why do you care? Hi, I'm Jennifer Porter. I am at Jennifer Porter Law, where we assist people who have been injured in auto collisions in DC, Maryland, and Virginia. So the topic today is uninsured motorist coverage. What is it and why do you care? When you purchase auto insurance coverage, most of the time people understand that they're buying insurance coverage to protect them in the event that they cause a collision, that they're the ones at fault and they need some liability protection. What you may not also recognize is that when you purchase auto insurance, not only are you protecting yourself from liability claims against you, but you're also buying something called uninsured motorist coverage. Uninsured motorist coverage is the kind of coverage that protects you in the event that you're involved in a collision with someone and it's their fault. But for some reason or another, they don't have insurance or they don't have enough insurance to meet the value of the claim that you have for the injuries and damages that you suffered. There's a couple of scenarios in which you might find yourself with an uninsured motorist claim. Option number one, if you're involved in a collision with somebody who is a hit and run driver, we might call that person a John Doe. They've hit you, but then they fled the scene and you have no information about them, let alone the insurance coverage that they might have. If you've suffered injuries or damages as a result of that collision, but the driver has left, then you would have the ability to present your claim for compensation to your own carrier under your uninsured motorist coverage. Also, if you were involved in a collision with someone who they don't leave the scene of the accident, they're still there, but for one reason or another, they don't have insurance. Either they never purchased insurance, or they let their policy lapse, or they're driving somebody else's car without permission. There can be a variety of circumstances where the person who caused the collision does not have insurance coverage. And when that happens, that also lends to you being able to make your own claim to your own insurance carrier for protection under your uninsured motorist coverage. Scenario number three, if you've been involved in an auto collision with someone and they have auto insurance, but they don't have enough to meet the value of your claim. In that situation, we would consider that at-fault driver's insurance coverage to be the primary source of recovery for your claim. But when that amount of coverage they have is not enough to meet the value of your case, we would then look to your uninsured motorist coverage as the second layer of insurance coverage available to help you compensate you for your injuries and damages. There's a variety of reasons why your uninsured motorist coverage can become an important piece of your personal injury claim. Therefore, when you finish watching this video, what I would really encourage you to do is take out your auto insurance policy and see how much uninsured motorist coverage are you currently carrying on your policy. And then ask yourself, if you were seriously hurt in a collision tomorrow with somebody who turned out to not have any insurance at all, would your uninsured motorist coverage be enough to protect you and compensate you for significant injuries that might have interruption to your daily life, your ability to work, and your ability to provide financially for you and your family's needs? As a general rule of thumb, the more insurance you can afford to purchase, the better off you will be as far as protection from your insurance plan. If you have the capacity to be bumping up your insurance coverage to provide $500,000 or $1 million of uninsured motorist coverage, that's my recommendation to anybody I speak to, because I want you to have the benefit of having the coverage available when you need it. Nobody plans to be involved in an auto collision. We call them accidents for a reason. They happen all the time. And if it happens to you, you want to have the benefit at least of knowing that you're covered for it. I hope this was helpful to you. If you've been involved in an auto collision in Virginia, DC, or Maryland, we would be happy to talk with you about how we might be able to assist you. Please feel free to reach out to us either through our website at www.jenniferporterlaw.com or call us at 571-532-9070. We're looking forward to talking with you.